When you pay this much for beef tenderloin, there is no room for mistakes. Here's how to trim and cook it perfectly. Dry it with paper towels. If it's untrimmed tenderloin, you'll remove this part called the chain. It separates easily from the main section, and you just cut it away. The meat's tender and great for stir fries or steak bites. There's a part called the head that can also be trimmed off, but I often leave it. Trim away bigger bits of fat and thin membrane. The silver skin absolutely must go. It's very tough. Grip it with some paper towel and slide your knife under to cut it away. If one end is thinner, tuck it under so the roast is an even thickness. Tie the roast every few inches for more even cooking. Put it on a wire rack set on a baking sheet. Mix 1 tablespoon kosher salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and half a teaspoon black pepper. Season it all over. Put it in the fridge for 4 to 12 hours to dry brine, which flavors it more deeply and dries out the surface. Rub the top with softened, unsalted butter to flavor the roast and give you drippings, which are often limited with tenderloin. Insert a thermometer into the thickest part. Pour a cup of beef stock into the pan to stop the drippings from burning. Roast at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 to 2 hours until 20 degrees below your desired temperature. My goal is medium, so 110 is my temp here. Take it off the pan to rest for 30 minutes. Use the drippings to make gravy or au jus. Get a beautifully browned crust with a reverse sear in a 475 degree Fahrenheit oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Remove the strings and immediately carve into slices. Tenderly perfect. Get more taste easy recipes at cookthestory.com.